Hi everybody, it's Deborah from workathomеonlineforfree.com. Thanks so much for tuning in and watching my video today. Today's video is called Building Your Own Niche Website. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you about Wealthy Affiliate. If you've been here to this channel before, you know that I often talk about Wealthy Affiliate. I talk about all their features and all their training and all their free training. And I always tell people that this is how I got started. I have been a full-time affiliate marketer since 2015, and Wealthy Affiliate is where I got my training, and you can start the training for free. And I think that you would be surprised as to how much you can do with the free training. So I just want to show you this and then show you what else you can have access to for free on Wealthy Affiliate. We are on Wealthy Affiliate's website. We're on one of Kyle's trainings. Kyle is one of the owners of Wealthy Affiliate. He's the one that does all the trainings in Wealthy Affiliate, except for the webinars. The webinars are done by a guy named Jay, but most of the training that is done within Wealthy Affiliate is done by Kyle, and it's step-by-step video training where you're watching over his shoulder, kind of like you're watching over my shoulder now. And this is one of his trainings called Building Your Own Niche Website. This is a free training. It's one of 10 that are included in their free starter membership. And I'm going to show you how to get the free starter membership and how to get access to the other 9 of these. Okay, but just to give you an example of what the training is like at Wealthy Affiliate, this is a class, again, step-by-step video class done by one of the owners of Wealthy Affiliate named Kyle. It's called Building Your Own Niche Website. And obviously, I'm not going to go through this. I'm going to give you the link to this. You go and you take this class for free. And I think you're going to be pretty impressed with how thorough it is and how many things you learn. Whether you're brand new and you've never built a website before, or if you're already in the process of building a niche website and you just want to enhance your skills, you might even be quite experienced at working online. You may have more than one website already. But I can pretty much guarantee that no matter what level you're at, you will benefit enormously from these courses done by Kyle. First thing, let me just give you a rundown real quick. Kyle says building a website isn't scary, it's fun. Now, one of the things that I think is so great about Wealthy Affiliate is that they build the websites for you on WordPress, and then you basically just go in and you claim that website. Okay, so they build the website itself, not I don't want you to misunderstand me. They don't create like a niche website on whatever your topic is. What I mean is they create the WordPress website where they have everything in place for the functioning of the WordPress website. I hope that makes sense. And then what you do is you go in and you claim one of these websites, you give it a name. You can give it your own domain if you want. If you already own your own domain, you can buy a domain, or you can get a free Site Rubik's domain at Wealthy Affiliate. But what you do is you kind of claim one of those websites, and then you make it your own. You give it a name, you give it a domain, you add content to it, you make it into your own niche website. But as far as how do you build one, like how do you get a website, this is how you do it, okay? Now, in this training, you'll see this video by Kyle, and it's called Building Your Website in Under 30 Seconds. Now, the reason he says you can build your website under 30 seconds because, like I've just told you, they've already built it for you. Okay, so you're just going in and you're making it your own. In this video, in this training, is where Kyle shows you step by step how to do that. So he goes through all of his trainings, not just this one, but all of the trainings in Wealthy Affiliate is a very step-by-step process where he gives you these steps, he explains things to you. This is what you're doing. I'm going to show you how to do it, and this is why you're doing it. Okay, all of his trainings contain those components. Okay, so as you can see in this one, he says task 1 is to build your website. It's the foundation of your business. He talks about it. Choosing what kind of website you want, choosing your domain, naming your website. He goes through step by step. And, you know, when he's showing you step by step how to do things, he's also talking with you, having a conversation with you via video and via his training, the articles themselves, with his years and years and years of experience. Do you know what I mean? So you just get a lot out of it because he tells you a lot that you wouldn't know just by reading the manual. Do you know what I mean? Step 4 is choosing a design. He shows you about all the WordPress themes and how you can pick the one that would be best for you. They talk about Site Rubics, which is a website and hosting platform that's free on Wealthy Affiliate. They'll show you that. By the way, in case I forget to mention it at the end of the video, I'm going to show you in a minute the free starter membership with Wealthy Affiliate. I'm going to show you all the 10 free classes that you get. Just so that you know, and again, so I don't forget, you get 2 free websites with your free starter program. Okay, so if you already own your domain, you can use your own domain. Okay, if you've already started, your own website, you already have a domain, you can use that, or you can start a brand new niche website like they're teaching you to do here on Wealthy Affiliate. But your first one is free, and it's free for life. Okay, it's not a 7-day thing or a 30-day thing. Your training only goes so far in the free training, the free starter membership. To continue on with your training, you would have to upgrade to Wealthy Affiliates Premium Program, which I can tell you a little bit about that in this video, but I don't want the whole video to be about that. I want to show you the free classes that you can get. But your website does come free with that free starter program. Okay, so it costs you nothing to go in and take this course and start up a website and say, okay, is this what I like? And then you decide whether you want to do the other 9 free training classes. And then you decide after that if you want to go on and upgrade to premium membership and get more training. It's completely up to you. So I just wanted to mention that you do get your first website for free with your free starter program. This kind of talks about their hosting program and what they offer. And if you don't know, hosting is a big deal. It's, first of all, hosting is a big deal because website hosting, I mean, um, websites don't just float around by themselves on the internet. Okay, if you're a beginner, you need to understand that websites don't just exist. They have to be hosted. Okay, they have to be hosted somewhere online, and there's many, many hosting companies, and it can get pretty expensive. And the thing is, when it comes to hosting companies, you get what you pay for. So the better ones that are going to really be able to give you the functionality and the safety and security and the spam control and all these things that you're going to want for your website or your blog, they can be pretty pricey, and the hosting is included with Wealthy Affiliate. Okay, so there's a video on my YouTube channel about website hosting with Wealthy Affiliate. If you want to know more about that, watch that video. You'll find it on my channel, and it'll tell you a lot more about that. But it's a big deal, okay? Just in case you're a beginner and you don't realize that when you build a niche website, you have to have it hosted somewhere. I do also recommend the WordPress websites. I have found them to be quite easy to use. I've built several WordPress websites with my training at Wealthy Affiliate, and I have found WordPress to be pretty user-friendly. It makes sense. Once you learn it, you can build many websites if you want to. It's not that hard. And like I say, they actually set up the website for you. All you got to do is go in and claim it. And then they will teach you in the free training how to set up. Well, in this training that I'm going to give you the link to, they'll show you how to set it up, how to claim your website, how to name it, how to choose a theme, all those things. But in the rest of their training, they'll tell you how to write content, how to do, how to get traffic, all those sorts of things. So I'm going to give you the link in the description box directly to this training, but I also want you to know that once you're in Wealthy Affiliate, okay, here's Wealthy Affiliate's website, okay? See my cursor up here at the top, training. If you go into training, you can go to the online entrepreneur certification. Now I'm going to take you right to that page. When you go there, here's the 10 free classes that are included in Wealthy Affiliate's free starter membership. Now I'm going to give you a link in the description box. Anytime you're on Wealthy Affiliate's website, they'll do a pop-up with an invitation to start the free starter membership. So you're not going to have to go searching and finding it. But I will give you a direct link in the description box to go ahead and sign up for the free starter membership. You don't need a credit card. All you need is your email, and then your free starter membership goes on for as long as you want. You don't ever have to upgrade to premium if you don't want to. You can get these 10 free classes in the starter membership. But as you can see, here's the first 10 free classes: getting rolling, understanding how to make money online, choosing a niche, building your own niche website. That's the one that I'm introducing you to in today's video. Setting up your website. Lesson 6, getting your website ready for search engines. That's a lot of things that people don't understand. They think they can just build a free website on Wix or one of those and poof, people are going to come. Nuh-uh. You have to know what you're doing. You have to learn search engine optimization, which means you have to learn how to get Google to find your website and show people your website when they're searching for things online. It's a big deal, so big that you're either going to get traffic to your website or you're not. Okay, you need to learn that. So that's a very important class. Lesson 7 is creating your initial website content. Lesson 8 is creating custom menus on your website. Lesson 9 is understanding keywords, the start of your business. And Lesson 10 is congratulations in your next steps. Now, after Lesson 10, if you want to upgrade to premium, you can. They give you your first month of premium membership for $19. Then after that, it's $49 a month, or you can buy a full year of premium membership for $495. So it ends up being 2 months free. Now, don't get freaked out by that. You don't have to upgrade if you don't want to. You can go in, do these 10 free classes, set up your free website, and never have to upgrade from there. It'll be up to you if you want to go further in your training, and if you want to pay for premium membership on a monthly basis, or if you want to take advantage of the cheaper price and get it for a whole year, you can. That's completely up to you. But these 10 classes are included in the free starter membership. And again, I'm going to give you the links to go ahead and sign up for that. No, I've lost our training. I'm sorry. So anyway, well, we can go into it right here. Building your own niche website. This is where we were. I'm sorry, my internet is a little bit slow today. So that's what you do. You go in, you go through each of these classes. They're free within your free starter membership. And then if you go to the premium membership, there's like another 50 of these. And then they also have what's called affiliate boot camp, where they teach you how to make a website like the one that I have for this YouTube channel, which is teaching people how to make money online. You can have a website like that if you want to as well. They have another whole video series called Affiliate Bootcamp, and you can get that too. And I'll give you the link in the description box for my overview of the premium membership. If you want more information on, okay, what would that look like down the road? If you're the kind of person that you need to plan ahead and you need to see the big picture, there's videos on my YouTube channel about the premium membership, and I'll give you the links for my full overview so you can see, okay, what's this going to look like down the road. But for the time being, go ahead, click into this link I'm going to give you. Take this little class by Kyle about building your own niche website. Go ahead and do it if you want to. Do the starter program, set up your website, and go ahead and do those other 9 free classes if you'd like to. Okay? So again, I thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful to you. If it was, please give the video a like. If you like this kind of training and you want to find out about this kind of information and about making money online, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I do videos regularly. And also in the description box, I'm going to give you a link to subscribe to my email list if you would like. If you subscribe to that about every 5 or 7 days, you will get an email from me. It'll be from my website, which is called workathomeonlineforfree.com. You will get an email, and it will be either a blog post or an article or a video, again, all about making money online. And I talk about affiliate marketing. I talk about how to get your training. I talk about email marketing, social media marketing, all kinds of things. And like I say, I've been doing this full time since 2015. So I've learned a thing or two that I'm happy to share with you. So feel free to comment below if you have any questions or if you need more information. I hope that you'll subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and subscribe to the email list if you would like to get the latest training sent right to your email. So again, enjoy the course. Come back and tell me what you thought. Again, my name is Deborah, and my website is workathomeonlineforfree.com. Thanks again. Bye-bye.